Hey, what's up guys, this is Aiki from imktechnicalhub, and today in this video we will be doing unboxing of SKECHERS Men's Elite Flex Navy Casual Slip-Ons. So before starting the video, first of all I would like to wish you all a very happy new year 2023. I wish you all have a great year ahead. So let's start the video and let's do the unboxing of these SKECHERS Slip-Ons. So friends, as you can see, these shoes I have purchased via Tata Click and I have got 40% discount. So I will also give you the link for this. So friends, let's cut the package and see the shoes. So friends, you can see the box of SKECHERS. So let me show you all sides of the box. So here you can see the SKECHERS branding, and here you can see some information. So this one is made in Vietnam, and also you can see imported and marketed by SKECHERS South Asia Private Limited. So MRP here written is 5,999, but you will also get 30 to 40% discount very easily. I will give you the link for this in the video description. So let's open the box. So friends, you can see these are the shoes and nothing inside, only shoes. So friends, let's take out this cardboard, and also from here. So friends, you can see SKECHERS air cooled memory foam is also there, and also you can see one SKECHERS branding here on the front side. So these are slip-on shoes, and you can see some stickers here, and also if you check here, so molded dual light base material, high rebound memory foam, and then moisture wicking insole lining. So these three layers are there in these shoes. And also friends, if I show you the sole is also very good quality, and also you can see this will not slip. As you can see, I am pushing it, but these are not slipping. So if you wear these shoes and walk in metros or any other places where the surface is smooth, then these shoes will provide you a very good grip. So as you can see here, so overall friends, this looks very light, and you can see these are very light shoes. And let me show you the shoes. So here you can see one SKECHERS branding here, S logo is there, and this is a synthetic material, and you can see this is a mesh. So this is very soft and this is breathable, so you can easily wear it in summer as well. So, and also on the back side you can see one branding here, SKECHERS. So overall friends, these shoes looks very good, and these are also very lightweight. So let me show you the shoes from all sides, and also you can see stitching is of also a very good quality. So this, as you can see here, so friends, let me wear the shoes and will show you how does it looks like. So friends, so let me wear the shoes and will show you how does it looks like. So overall I would say friend, these are very comfortable shoes. As you can see, these are also very lightweight and very comfortable. So friends, you can see these are very comfortable shoes and will also provide you a good grip on the ground. So friends, you can see these are the SKECHERS navy slip-on shoes that I purchased by Tata Click, and I will also provide the best price link for this in the video description. So friends, I hope this video of unboxing of this SKECHERS slip-on shoes is useful for you, and if you find this video useful, please don't forget to like, share and subscribe imktechnicalhub channel so that we can give you this kind of videos. So thanks for watching. Jai Hind, and I will see you in the next video.